Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we'll discover the best CFDs trading platform and app that can give you an edge in the market. Each of these platforms comes with unique features that can influence how effective you analyze your charts, execute trades, and manage your risks. Make sure to watch till the end to understand everything that you need to know by the time we are done, and you will know exactly which platform suits your trading style and how to use it for maximum results. We first start by understanding the CFD trading platforms. Before we jump into specific platform, we need to understand what makes a CFD trading platform truly effective for trading success. A CFD, or a contract for difference, allows you to trade on price movement of various assets without actually owning them. This means your platform choice depends directly affects how well you can capitalize on price movement. The most important factor you should consider is execution speed. When you click buy or sell, you want your order to be filled at the price you see on your screen. Poor execution could lead to slippage where your trades get filled at the worst price than expected. This happens more often with market brokers who profit from your losses. You also need to understand the difference between market makers and ECN execution model. Market makers create their own prices and take the opposite side of your trade. This can lead to conflict of interest because they profit when you lose. The ECN platform, on the other hand, connects you directly to liquid providers, giving you access to real market prices. Regulatory compliance protects your funds and ensures fair trading conditions. Platforms regulated by authorities like the FCA, the ASIC, or the CY must follow strict rules about client fund segregation and fair execution. This means your money stays safe even if the broker faces financial difficulties. Now, let's understand the crucial features to look for in a CFD trading platform. Let's examine each of the top platforms in details, including how you can use them effectively for trading your strategy. The first platform we'll talk about is the MetaTrader 4. And when you think about the retail CFD trading, the first platform that likely comes to mind is the MetaTrader 4. This platform has been the industry standard for years, and for good reason. It is reliable and widely supported by almost all brokers, and often depends on customization for all levels. The MT4 desktop platform, when you can see is where you can see multiple charts and indicators opened at once, crucial for multitasking is a fast market. The MT4 runs on MQL4 script language, which lets you automate your trading strategy with custom indicators and expert advisors known as EAs. You can also use it to backtest your strategy, which is important because it allows you to see how your strategy performs in past market conditions before risking your own capital. Now let's look at some key features of the MT4. The first will be charting, and the MT4 has 9 time frames, a wide range of built-in technical indicators, and the ability to import custom studies means you can analyze markets deeply. The second feature will be the algorithm trading. With EAs, you can run your strategy 24 hours even when you are not on your desk. And the last but not the least feature would be the mobile and web version. Trading from any device, but the mobile version is less feature rich than the desktop app. Now, there are some limitations for the MT4, and the MT4 does not support hedging. That's opening both buyers and sell position in the same on the same assets, and its multi-access capabilities are limited compared to newer platforms, which leads us to the next platform we're going to discuss for trading our CFD. The next platform is known as the MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader 5 And MetaTrader 5, if you want more than just what the MT4 provides, you will need to access your MetaTrader 5. And your MetaTrader 5 is the natural progression. The MetaTrader 5 was built to support more asset class, including stocks, futures, and commodities, in addition to Forex. This means you can trade a wider variety of instruments from a single platform. Notice how the MT5 Notice how the MT5 lists more assets type, including stock, futures, and commodities, in addition to Forex. This means that you can trade a wider variety of instruments. Now, there are some key features you need to know about your MT5, and the key feature is the first one is the depth of market. See both buys and sell orders at different price level, helping you gauge market sentiment. The second will be economic calendar. Built-in news and events help you anticipate market moves. The third will be the MQL5 language, more advanced than the MQL4, allowing for complex algorithm and strategies. While the fourth key feature is faster backtesting your strategy on historical data. Now, the limitation about the MC5 is that it's not supported by all the brokers. Not all brokers offer the MT5, and some traders find transitioning from the MT4 challenging due to the added complexity. Now, the next trading platform to trade our CFD is known as the TradingView. The TradingView is the next platform, and this platform is best known for its advanced charting and social features. If you want a platform that helps you to visualize data you and engage with other traders, the best you best know that you are using your TradingView. You can customize almost every you can customize almost every aspect of the chart on TradingView. You can use hundreds of built-in indicators and even create your own Pine script. An easy to learn coding language. TradingView also makes it possible for you to copy ideas from experienced trader using social feed. This real-time comments and alerts can give you new ideas and help you to react quickly to the market events. The TradingView connects with a growing number of brokers, so you can execute trades directly from your chart. The platform works well on the desktop, in your browser, and on mobile devices. Its main weakness is the lack of full automated EAs and custom robots, and are still better developed on the MetaTrader platform. Now, let's look at some key features and limitations. The key features is it has a superior charting, access to hundreds of technical indicators, drawing tools, and the ability to save custom layout. The second key feature would be community and education, sharing ideas with other traders following top analysis and learn from public strategy. The third will be define scripts, create or export or import your custom studies and alerts to automate your analysis. The browser-based no software download required and works on any device. While the limitation is not all brokers are integrated with TradingView, and execution speed may vary depending on your broker's infrastructure. The last but not the least is our cTrader trading platform. And the cTrading platform is, if you want a transparent and advanced order management, the cTrader may be for you. It has a built by Sportwear. cTrader is designed to offer the same order execution quality to retail traders that institutional traders expect. You can see how the cTrader sends orders directly to the liquid providers, not the dealing desks. This reduces the conflict of interest. The cTrader offer level 2 pricing, which means that you will see the order books. This gives you more insight into the market depth, which is crucial if you're a scalper or a day trader. The platform also supports advanced order types such as limits, trading stops, and has a strong algorithm trading environment called the algo. Now, this algo workspace where you can code and automate your strategy similar to the MetaTrader but with a modern interface. The cTrader features copy trading features copy trading on your system, where you can copy or follow experienced trader as they trade. You copy their trades and be able to profit from the trade you copy. Now let's look at some key features that you can use that are accompanied by using the cTrader. The first will be the level 2 pricing, where you will see all buying and selling options in the market, not just the best bid and ask. The second key feature will be advanced order types, known as your trailing stop, your OCO, that's one cancel and the other, and your iceberg. The third will be the C algo. That's a built and deployed custom algorithm similar to the MT4 EAs but with more flexibility. The fourth will be copy trading, automatically replicate the trades of successful traders on your account. And the last but not the least will be fast execution, known for quick and reliable order filling, important for high frequency strategy. Limitation of the cTrader is it is offered by few brokers compared to MT4 and MT5, and the interface may feel complex for beginners. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.